everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And now we have a new toy for the garage. Alright you guys, so this right here is a oil funnel filling kit. And let me tell you, I saw this at Harbor Freight and it was actually more expensive at Harbor Freight. So I got the one that was in Amazon. Alright. This one is called the Orion Motor Tech right here. And I'm going to be honest, this case was surprising. I wasn't even looking for this carrying case right here. This is probably the biggest selling point. The one at Harbor Freight just come in the plastic and that's it. It's no case, no nothing. Everything will be in random places. This is beautiful. So I haven't opened this yet, all right? All I did was take it out the box and I was surprised with this blue toolbox. So I'm gonna lift up on the knobs, bring them back and open it up for y'all. And wow, look at that. All right, so, woo, this is nice. I like this. All right, I'm ready to change oil already. All right, right here we have, right here it says precision oil funnel instruction. It says caution, and I will obviously give you, snap all this stuff. I'm not reading all that. All right, you guys, so here we go. This is the funnel. It has O-rings on it. Right here it has O-rings. Got their brand right there. All right, they have another one over here. Another one over here with a big gasket on it. And this is just amazing. This is just amazing. All right, and then they have an extension. So if you want to extend, you can and fill up your oil a little bit further away. This is awesome. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and take this to the shop. All right, you guys, so I'm here in my 2006 Toyota Camry. And one thing I am surprised about, for being the most popular car in the world, or one of the most popular cars in the world, I don't see Toyota Camry on here. So one thing you can do is take off your oil cap and you could check out the threads. And then if you could see or find one that's the same type of thread, then you can go ahead and put it on. So as you can see, these are the same type of threads. All right, you guys. So it is not going in on this because right here it is too wide of an opening. This valve cover plate is actually holding it back from going in. So maybe that's why this model is not on there. All right, you guys. So I couldn't get the one that goes on my Toyota 2006 model Camry SE, and it's because of the diameter opening of this cap right here. My Camry has a valve cover that covers it, right? And when I try to get it on, it nips it just a tad bit. One thing that I'm mad at on their Amazon page, it says this fits Toyota, right? And then they have another one that says fit Toyota. The other one don't fit Toyota because it's not the right threads. I know this one is the same threads as my Toyota Camry 2006, but the valve cover is in the way. So that's one thing for me, that one of my cars can't use this. So right now I'm about to move to my Ford Expedition 2007, and then I'm gonna try my 2000 Mercury Sable. Now, as you know, Ford, Mercury, same company, and I might be able to use the same cap. Now, this is the one off of my 2007 Ford Expedition, and here is the same exact thing. Y'all see that? All right, you guys, so I know I will be able to put it in because right here there is no valve cover, no nothing blocking the way of it. Sorry. So if y'all can see me, right here is my oil housing. About to put it in. And that's it. It goes right on in. So that's perfect for me. Let me go ahead and test this thing out. So if you want to put the extension on, just to let you know, the extension is about 10 inches. But this is the extension. It has 2 O-rings on the extension. So you could keep on pushing until you get it all the way down. The O-rings is for leaking purposes. All right. So I'm just showing y'all that. But in order to put it in, you should put the cap on first. Decide with the O-rings on. Now it won't fit that way, but it will definitely fit this way. The reason why it won't fit this way is because my radiator hose is in the way. Just a little something out there so companies could start improving a little bit more. If they had a little bit more extension, then you can put it in like that. For me to put the extension, it will have to be right there. And that's the only place I could put my extension. And then obviously this is the funnel. The funnel is 2 quarts. They said 2 quarts of capacity. And we have 2 O-rings right here. Slide that down. And then you can start filling up. So that is the hookup that I have. Y'all see the blue cap right here. The black extension. And then the funnel. And then you can start filling up. Don't have to worry about getting your other 20,000 funnels that you have, and you know what I'm talking about, right? I'm talking about all these funnels right here. Look, you see all these funnels. This have funnels for days. Funnels, funnels, funnels. I even got another yellow one that I just bought just to put some fuel additives into the fuel. An easy way, but this funnel right here is supposed to eliminate all this mess that you do when you change your oil. Let me go ahead and check out my 2000 Mercury Sable. Okay, you guys, so like I told y'all, fortunately for me, it's the same type of cap. So I can use this for 2 of my cars. You have to really wiggle real hard for this to come in. I don't need the extension, but I'm just showing y'all with the extension. And the cool thing about this is I have room to move the extension around. As where in the truck, I don't have any room. So I can fill up oil from here if I want to, or I could fill up oil from this side if I want to. Take the extension off and then put in the oil filter like that. All right, you guys, so this did fit in my my 2000 Mercury Sable, my 2007 Ford Expedition, but I'm a little disappointed because of my 2006 Toyota Camry. This is the thing I probably like the most. If you're looking for oil funnels, the oil funnels like this, you will not see too many with a actual transporter case. This is awesome. So if you are a mobile auto mechanic, this will probably be like your favorite tool. But I will have to inform you, and I will snap a photo that they actually have compatible models with these. And my 2000 Ford Mercury Sable, I always say Ford Mercury, but my 2000 Mercury Sable is not on this list, and my 2006 Toyota is not on this list. All right, as far as Camry go, and actually I don't even see Camry on here, so that is very surprising. I see Forerunner, Avalon, Corolla, FJ Cruiser, Land Cruiser, Matrix, RAV4, Sequoia, Tacoma, Tundra. All right, you guys, so we are going to wrap up this video, and I, for one, want to say that I want to give it 4 stars, right? I want to give it 4 stars. I want to give it 5 stars, but 4 stars is when a product is awesome, 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 awesome. 5 stars, the product is perfect. I might have to knock this down to 3 stars, and it's not for the fact that it don't work for my Toyota Camry, but it's for the fact on when you go get this stuff on Amazon, you just automatically think that it's compatible to your car. On their description, there is nothing like showing what cars that this thing actually goes for. And that's unfortunate, because let's say if the only car you have is that Toyota Camry like mine, the 2006 one that I have, you buying this is a waste of your time. Unless you want to take your valve cover off, which is a lot of work to do. Well, not really a lot of work to do, but it's extra stuff for you to do. So I will have to give it my honest opinion. I'm going to give it 3.7. It's close to a 4 stars. And the reason why I'm giving it close to a 4 stars is, for one, it comes with a case, you guys. If you go shopping for this stuff, a lot of this don't have a carrying case with it. Not only that, this thing did work with my other 2 cars. So that was an awesome part for me. But once again, like I said, you will need this paper right here. This paper right here tells you what car the threads for these connectors work for. All right. And that's about it, you guys. All right, you guys. So that's it with this review. This thing is awesome. Like I said, for me, I might just even give it a 4, just for the simple fact on this thing is amazing. But in all seriousness, 3.7, I think that's fair rating, because on the fact it don't fit every car. So you will basically have to try to see if this thing works or not. But if you own a shop, if you are a mechanic, this is a good investment for you, because mechanics get different vehicles that come to their shop every day. And my wife is home, so that will wrap up this review. Like, comment, share, subscribe.